Hi guys, today I'm in my study and look at these kids, don't they look silly? So guys, after this I need any of you to help me build a school in Brooksburg. I really need one for like these little kids. Oh yeah, I haven't played this game in a while. Because I love your Roblox name is, I'll so find you and I'll find means request you if you will help me with my goal. And for user knows we get a little puppy that's gonna look so good. And it's gonna be a porta collie. It's gold but I want black and white one. I saw someone today at the supermarket and it was so cute. But soda I take so white that means off. So guys, moving on our next game. So guys, for you that know I love My Little Pony too. Alright guys, we're in Bloxburg and guys, I need a little bathroom like I got rid of my house and then I did it again. But my brother did the color of the outside and it's looking so cool. I didn't delete that side. That's good. This is gonna be the bathroom. So, my sister and friend is when the school's done, they're gonna come and check it out, and I'm gonna hire a party to come to my house if you're a little girl, and then you can come to the school. How does that sound? Alright guys, now we need to get lots of money. Oh wait, First, let's just take it the side, and I want to see whose house is that. I'm going to come here if they meet me. Can I come in? I'll just be like that. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. When I don't have stuff to say, it's going to be this. So make sure to listen to her. Okay, I'm going. Alright guys, I'm back. I was just showing the people the way in. Sometimes some puppies friends show me the way in to them's house. Alright guys, I'm gonna be gone for a moment again. So, this one will take you over. Stays very nice and she loves flowers. And then this one again. This time I'm gonna put that up in the table. And that's it again. maybe club. So now I have to go, right? If we go, I have to get out. What should I say? Oh, comment in the comments. I should go and I'm just going to stay over here. That's my answer. So next my little sister will take care of it. Okay, and I don't So guys, I'm back. Did you see my little sister sleep? What? You're not calling me. Oh, here. Who was it again, Annabelle? Who was? Hi. I need to get up to them. It was 7:38. Oh, well, there's a school. Oh, no, it doesn't. I thought this was a cat. Well, maybe it is. No, it's not. Oh, guys, just give me. Oh, guys. This is a little bit mm, I mean not let's say we're not ending this film. Okay.